back to my channel. So today I bring you guys this 4th of July look. I hope you guys like it. And I'm going to be using the Snowqueen palette for this look from Amor'us. I'm also going to be using this palette. I'm just going to be grabbing the white from the NYX palette just because there's no white on this other palette. I went ahead and primed my eye already. I'm going to start with the MAC Paint Pot Pro Longwear in Soft Ochre. So it's this one right here. Just because I want the colors to pop a little more since I am using white, I'm going to add some of this NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk. So just a little bit. I'm going to start by using the color Elsa, and it's this baby blue right here. It's very, very pretty. So let me zoom you guys in. My Luxie brush. Okay guys, I realized that I was not recording. So I'm going to be using this Elsa one right here. And that's what I used for my transition color. Then I went ahead and cut my crease and I added the Water Horse blue color, which is this one right here, to my inner corner. And then I went ahead and applied some of the NYX Milk Jumbo Pencil to the middle of my eye, so when I use the white shadow it will pop a little more. And because this palette does not come with a white shadow, I'm using the Dreamcatcher palette by NYX. And I'm using the white shadow, which is this one right here. So now I'm going back with the Snowqueen palette and I'm grabbing the color Fire, which is the closest to red from this palette. I'm going to be grabbing the Luxie 239 Precision Shader Brush. So in order for this to stand out a little more, I'm going to keep going with the color Elsa. So I'm using the She brush. I picked up these She brushes from the 99-cent store and they are amazing. They work really, really good and they're just $1. So that is great in case you guys are interested. And it's called She Cream. So just like that, I'm going to leave that alone. And then I'm going to go ahead and start adding more colors to it. So more like glitters and shimmers on top of these colors that I have already. So I'm going to be using Icy Ocean, which is this one. It's a pretty shimmer color. For the white one, they have this beautiful Snow Kingdom one. It's so pretty. Applying them dry right now, and then I'm gonna apply them wet and then go back with dry. This palette does not come with any red glitter shadows, so I'm gonna be using actual glitter, and this is from J-Cat, so I'm gonna be using this one. And I'm gonna be using the LA Splash glitter glue today, which is this one. And I'm gonna be grabbing this just this regular arts and crafts brush, and it looks like this. There it is. Now what I'm gonna go ahead and do is come back again and grab that white and that blue. So for that white and that blue, I'm gonna be wetting my fingertips. And from there, I'm going to go ahead and pick up this EcoTools brush. And I'm going to be using this blue color. It's called Buzzard. So I'm going to be grabbing the color Elsa and I'm going to be mixing it with Water Horse. So just a little bit, and then just to get it a little darker. Okay, and this is the detail brush from Moda Pro, and I'm going to be grabbing the color Water Horse. So for the bottom, I'm going to be using the NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk. And just apply that there. I'm going to be blending that out with the Moda Pro shading brush. Okay, so for the bottom, we're going to do it backwards. I'm going to start with red, white, and blue. So for red, I'm going to be using the BH Cosmetics number 10. And I'm going to be using the color Fire, the color Snow Kingdom. Okay guys, so for lashes, I'm using the 817 from Ardell, the Foxy Mink lashes. And I double stacked them, so there's 2 pairs in one. Okay, so now I'm just going to be adding mascara to the bottom, but before that, actually, I'm going to be using the NYX Jumbo Pencil again and using that as liner. Okay, so just like that. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and start adding some mascara. Okay, so I'm going to be using this Miss Meadow Glitter Shock Liquid Shadow from Italia. And it's this pretty silver one, and it's in the color North Star. So this is the one that I'm going to be applying on my inner corner and on the middle of that white, just to give it more of a pop. I ended up using this lipstick from LA Girl in Forever Red, this one, and the Queen lipstick in the color Monroe, which is this beautiful color. This is the finished look. This is the look that I've created for you guys today. You guys could go ahead and add more stars, add whatever you want, or take away whatever you want. And then I do want to do a look that's a little more settled for those of you that are not comfortable wearing a lot of makeup and going all out like this for like a festivity or whatever.